Do you think English is nearly impossible to learn? Let me allow to tell you a story. A farmer had 3 donkeys and was taking them for sale to the market. On the way, he saw a river and desired to take a dip. There was an issue though. He only had 2 ropes and thus would be able to tie only 2 of his 3 donkeys to a tree. How to tie the third one? He wondered. Around there, he saw a wise man and approached him for a rope to tie his third donkey. The man did not have a rope but had a brilliant suggestion. He told the farmer, "Tie the 2 donkeys up to a tree with the rope you have, and make sure that the third donkey is watching. Then simply pretend to tie the third one." The farmer followed the man's advice and went for a dip in the river. When he came back, he saw that the donkeys stood exactly at the same spot where he had left them. He thanked the wise man, untied the donkeys and patted the third one so it starts moving as well. After going a little distance, he turned around and was surprised to see that the third donkey standing at the very same spot. He tried cajoling and talking to the donkey. It did not help. He tried to push the donkey from behind, but it refused to move from the spot. Helpless, the farmer came back to the wise man, who asked him, "Did you untie the third donkey?" "Untie? But I never tied him up," replied the farmer. The man said, "You know that the donkey does not. It still thinks it is tied up." The farmer then went through the imaginary motions of untying the donkey, and guess what? Sure enough, the donkey moved immediately as though released and walked over to join its 2 friends. What is holding us back from moving ahead and reaching our dreams? Is it lack of good teachers? Is it a lack of best educational institutes? Is it a lack of support? Or we tied up by imaginary ropes, doubts, fear, hesitation? Yes, we certainly need to work on the external parameters needed for our success. What is even more important is that we untie our mental blocks and expedite our journey to learn English. Come and join our online learning program.